Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can exit developer mode on ChatGPT. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So developer mode gives you more freedom to add connectors and modify your account as you wish. However, developer mode delinks you from using memory. As you can see, memory is not used for this chat, and also it is high risk. So if you wish to exit developer mode on ChatGPT, it's pretty simple. Go to your profile icon here and click on it once you are logged in, and then choose settings option. Now under settings, go to apps, and if you click on apps, look for this option called advanced settings. Now if you click on advanced settings, you can see we have now our developer mode here. Currently it is enabled, and to disable it, just toggle off this icon, and now you'll have exited developer mode. As you can see, there is a change already in effect here. So if you just exit this, now you'll start using the normal interface of your ChatGPT account. So that's how you can disable or exit developer mode on ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.